And there we go. Camper for one. Right, how much is it these days? Minimum air spend is 50p. 50 bloody p. Jesus. I've got 20, 10, 50. That'll do us. How long does it give us? What, 15 seconds or something? I think these back ones definitely lacking a bit of air. Okay, we're adventure ready. Let's hit the road. Welcome to another camp, guys. Tonight we're off to the Wrekin, a beautiful hilltop just on the outskirts of Wellington and Shropshire. And if we're lucky, we might just catch an epic sunset. The ridgemonkey's back again for tonight's dinner, cooking up some cheese and ham toasties, and then we'll sneak on into our sleeping spot for tonight. This one is set to be a camp to remember. So sit back, make yourself a brew, and enjoy. This is more like it. Sunshine, rolling hills, country roads. Can't go wrong with it. So one of the really good things about the Wrekin in Shropshire is that the parking here is all free. If you just look ahead of me now, you'll see that all on the left-hand side here is free parking. And just a bit further down from here is the Wrekin car park. And we should be able to find a spot there for free as well. Yeah, we've got a couple of spots here. We've even got a motorhome. Is that a motorhome? Indie Campers. Okay. Nice size van though. Oh yes, one thing I wanted to mention in this video before I forget. Some of you might laugh. It might just end up being my lucky day. I wonder if any of my viewers are filthy rich. I wonder if they've got a shit ton of money. And it got me thinking that maybe it might just be worth my time asking if anybody fancies sending me about 60, 70k over on PayPal. There's a link in the description, so I can buy a motorhome. I think I'm chancing my luck a bit there, but... So this building up on the right here is the Wrekin Cafe. Now I'm pretty sure it's probably closed at this time of day, but normally I think it's been open recently. Someone local leave a comment, tell me if you've seen it open recently. I think it opens for a bit of hot food, hot drinks. It's called the halfway mark to the top, so feeling as breathless as I am now, knowing this is only halfway, is a bit defeating, but we'll do it. I'm going to be at the Adventure Overland and International Camper Van show in June, and I hope, fingers crossed, to see some of you there. I've actually been able to wing a special discount code in the description for you guys to get 10% off tickets. I'm going to be there on both days, on the 4th and the 5th of June, camping out in the car, along with some other well-known YouTubers in the car camping and van life community. If you fancy popping along, sharing a bit of food with me, hit me up on Instagram, @BrendanExplores, I'll put it down here. Let me know what day you come in, what time you're turning up, and we can hang out for a bit. I might be breathless, but that is one epic view to look back on. Brilliant. I think we're going to catch the sunset. I think we've done it. I think we've done it. Just look at that sky. I've well and truly had a chance to catch my breath now. So back to normal broadcasting, none of that cardiac arrest stuff. What a beautiful skyscape. So a perfect example of why I'm not going to park here tonight is as soon as I come into the car park, I can smell marijuana straight away. There's a couple of unscrupulous cars parked up I don't really fancy sleeping next to tonight. So we're going to head over to a place called Limekiln Wood that I've been to before in previous videos. There's a nice free car park there. It was nice and quiet when I was last there. Fingers crossed it's nice and quiet now. We're going to cook a lovely toastie in the back of the car, ham, cheese, red onion with a bit of tomato ketchup, and get a good night's sleep. And I'll show you the bed system for any new viewers that are joining the channel when we get down there. So let's get down to camp. Now that the sun has well and truly set, I'm hoping that there's no one walking around Limekiln Woods that have parked their car there already. It'd be nice just to scope in, get to the end of the car park the car up nice and square, and be ultra stealthy. I don't really want anyone seeing what I'm doing or being around the car park while I'm doing it, so it's just here, apparently. I might well have this car park all to myself. Oh my god, I have. The car park is completely empty. Nice and steady, nice and steady. We're good. We are good. So I thought I'd keep the car lights on for a little bit just so you can see a little bit of my surroundings. Absolutely no one else here. You probably can't see in that far dark corner of the car park, but yeah, actually quite a strange thing, to be fair, to actually have a car park all to myself. Never had this before. Feels like I'm on my own land. King of the castle, la la la. And there we go. Camper for one. Okay, right. Once we close that door, that is us tucked in, safe and sound, ready to cook. I've got the ridgemonkey with me again, just here. For those of you that don't know what it is, I seriously suggest you check it out in the description below. Absolute game changer when it comes to cooking in a confined space, whether it be in a van, in the back of a car, whatever it is. This is literally by far the best tool I've got when it comes to car camping. Okay, so on the menu tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have your finest toastie. I've got 2 pieces of bread, got some butter, got a red onion. Why on earth I chose to chop a red onion in the back of a confined space again, I have no idea, because my eyes were streaming last time. I should bring some eye protection really when I'm chopping onions in the back of the car. Oh, I knew I'd instantly regret this. Ah. Oh. Oh. You. One more chop. You. Whoo! Anyone got any tips on how to protect your eyes when you're chopping an onion? To be honest, I kind of wish I brought more pieces of bread because I'm quite hungry now. I wasn't quite hungry when I left, but now I'm pretty hungry. That's one thing you can never have enough of. That is cheese. So just before I put this toastie on the go, oh, that's what it looks like. Let's give it a flip. Ooh, okay. Not too bad at all just yet. I don't know if you saw that. Nice little bit of crisp brown on top of it. Plenty of tomato ketchup. And that's it. You wouldn't even suspect that anything's even been in that pan. Super, super convenient. Trust me, the last thing you want to be doing when you're in the back of a car camping is washing up. It is a massive faff. It's one of the mistakes I made on my first few camps, is trying to wash up the stuff while you're actually out on the road. It's not the thing to do. If you're going to go for an overnighter or a 2-day little adventure somewhere, keep your washing up, do it when you get home. Trust me, you'll thank me in the long run. Look at that. You can't beat that. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh God, shit. Oh, that is bloody hot. Jesus. You burnt my lips off. Leave a comment below. What's your favourite toastie filling? I might well give it a crack one day. I'm quite into my toasties. Okay, I'm going to finish the other half of this toastie. Hopefully not burn my mouth off. I'll be back with you guys in a sec. So, first things first, when setting the bed up, we have to put this chair back down, like that, flat into the floor. And then it's as simple as pulling over this half. Right, I'm going to get in, get the bedding on, get a pillow in the back here, and I'll have a good night's sleep. Now that is not a bad view to wake up to. But what a nice, beautiful, clear morning. Absolutely gorgeous. A couple of other cars rolled in during the night, or possibly during the morning. I didn't hear them. I probably woke up about 8:30, something like that. So I've got a different flavour porridge pot this morning. I've gone for another Aldi special, Harvest Moon Instant Oats, sweet cinnamon flavour. We'll get a hot drink on the go and just enjoy the view. And I think I'll probably get the drone up. Right. From Limekiln Wood Car Park, I think I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. Thanks for continuing to support the channel. Leave a comment below, tell me what you thought of the camp. And I'll see you guys in the next video.